Hey Stampers, this is Sarah with Stinkincutecards.com, and I have one of September's Take 3 card samples for you today. The featured color was Pineapple Punch, and what we've done is we've paired it with Blackberry Bliss as well as Smoky Slate. Smoky Slate, Blackberry Bliss, and Pineapple Punch. And I've used this Country Home stamp set that is in the holiday catalog. I love the set. It is, obviously we're in the country, and so yeah, it fits my house and my stamping very well. So let me show you how quickly this baby goes together. And again, if you want more information about the Take 3 classes and the Rewards Club program, make sure that you visit my website. These are the pieces that you're going to need. This is the Country Lane designer paper. This is the Pineapple Punch, and what I've done is I've cut off an inch. It's a normal card, but I've just simply cut off of an inch there. So this is the outside, this is the inside. It's very simple to put together. And all right, so let's go ahead. I think the easiest thing to do is let's just stamp the inside quick because we can. I'm going to use the Blackberry Bliss and Simply Thankful for All Good Things. We're going to stamp that right there in the center. And again, our picture with the flowers will cover up this so it won't be peeking through. And we're just going to add that to the front, or I'm sorry, to the inside. And Simply Thankful for All Good Things. Attach our designer paper, and again, there were several patterns in that pack that would work really well for our card. This one is more of the decorative one on my card sample. I have the polka dot. Both of them are very lovely. All right, so then we are going to, I've used the galvanized tin design paper, and I'm going to add that there as a little feature. And there we go. All right, let's stamp our image. Now I have found the easiest way to do this is to stamp my picture first. 1, 2, 3. And then I am going to add the flowers over the top. Now I have found that if I kind of come up over the top and peer down through my blocks, I can line that up pretty well. Not too shabby. All right, then it's just a matter of coloring it. I am using the blends on this, and technically, yes, I think these are supposed to be cotton, which are white, but again, you can color it whatever color you want. I'm using several of the new colors. We're using the Blackberry Bliss blends. We're using the Pineapple Punch, which is obviously the color that we're using. We're using the Soft Sea Foam, the Smoky Slate, and a little bit of the Crumb Cake. So we're just going to color those in. Now when I'm blending the dark and the light, I usually try to run over the edge of where the two meet, and that way it kind of helps soften that. Plus give yourself a little bit of light. See how that works? All right, I'm going to leave the cotton white this time, and I'm just going to color this little flower with the pineapple. I don't know, it just kind of seems fun. So. All right, then using my scissors, I'm going to fussy cut that out, and it's going to look like this. I've attached it with dimensionals to my card front. I'm going to have that bend off the side a little bit. Okay, oh, just a smidge closer. All right. Okay, and I've stamped, all right, and then we are going to stamp the thanks. So I have found that it's easier to stamp my saying first and then stamp the outline around it. I don't know, that just seemed to work better for me. And we're going to fussy cut that, attach it with dimensionals. And just put that little thanks right there. Isn't that cute? All right. Now we have some of the Pineapple Punch narrow ribbon. Just going to make a little knot for that. And, all right, I grabbed the ribbon scissors. They say the job is always easier with the right tools, and boy, does it make a difference. So let's just clean that up a little bit. We're going to add a glue dot. We're going to stick that right about here. And it is just one of the simplest, cutest little thank yous you ever did see. So thanks. On the inside, simply thankful for all good things. Again, thanks for joining me. This is Sarah with StinkinCuteCards.com.